फिजिक्स गोल 100 में आज हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी के सारे केसेस लेंगे। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी के सारे केसेस का मतलब आपके सिलेबस में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू पॉइंट चार्जेस और डिस्क्रीट चार्जेस, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू डायपोल, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दी कंटिन्यूस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। इसमें आपके पास स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर और आपके पास प्लेन इनफाइनाइट थिक शीट और थिन शीट दोनों के केसेस हैं। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का बेसिक मतलब ये है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक्चुअल में उस चार्ज पर जो फोर्स है उसी का कैलकुलेशन है। एक्चुअल में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जिसको हम इसे डिनोट करते हैं, एक्चुअल में ये क्या है, फोर्स एक्टिंग पर यूनिट टेस्ट चार्ज। सिंस फोर्स इज a vector quantity, so electric field is also a vector quantity. Its magnitude is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square into r cap. Now electric field, this was the case of discrete charges. आपके सिलेबस में डिस्क्रीट या पॉइंट चार्जेस या डायपोल और कंटिन्यूस चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। अब डिस्क्रीट पॉइंट चार्जेस का केस इसके जस्ट सिमिलर है, फॉर्मूला भी यही है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का। एक्चुअल में द चार्जेस आर इंटरेक्टेड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेटेड बाय देम। If you want to calculate the direction of electric field, you just place positive charge at that place. If positive charge move left to right, it means electric field is directed in that direction. If positive charge move right to left, then it means electric field is directed from right to left. And its magnitude is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by r square into r cap. Electric field can be represented due to charges by electric field lines. They are the imaginary curves. Suppose when the charges interacted with each other, I took charges plus q1 and q2. The electric field lines they will not intersect, but they will repel like this. So they will repel. If it is a dipole, then it will generate from positive charge and terminate at negative charge. So this is the representation of electric field. Now we should take the cases of dipole. So for dipole, first we should know what is dipole. Suppose I talk about the HCl molecule. So the Cl molecule deceived hydrogen atom and took its electron completely for its utilization, and since electron shift from here to Cl, partial positive developed on hydrogen atom and partial negative is developed on chlorine atom. And this is at very small distance. We generally consider it 2L. So every dipole is represented by a vector quantity called electric dipole moment. If it is electric dipole moment and it's directed from negative charge to positive charge, and mod of P is Q, any charge into separation between these charges. For considering cases of dipole, we took dipole as length 12 and we consider all the distance from its center. It is L and this is L, and we took all the distances from its center. So first we are doing the simplest case. In dipole we are having 4 cases. First case, at center of dipole. Next second case is on the axis of dipole. Third case is on equatorial line of dipole, and third case at any general point of dipole. For this case, what we are having, suppose this is a dipole in which charges are placed at distance 12 and we have to find electric field at C. So when we have to find the electric field at C, the electric field due to this charge B, if I put here test charge, this test charge is repelled by this charge, so electric field due to B will be directed here EB. And now minus Q charge at A will attract the charge and it is EA. So net electric field at C is, mod of C is 1 by yani K Q. Okay, let's explain it. It is EB plus EC, net electric field on C. What is EB? EB is KQ upon, this is L square, plus for EB it is for EB, and for EC again it is KQ by L square. It is K 2Q by L square. It is E net charge on C. Now, since it is mod and its direction is against P, directed against dipole moment, it is directed, dipole moment is here, but it is directed right to left. Now the second case, dipole at any point. Suppose we are having plus Q charge. Now we are having a minus Q plus Q charge, call it AB, and from its center at distance R we are having a point X, and this X, and at this X the electric field due to charge at B is directed in EB, and due to A it is directed EA. So if I calculate the mod of net electric field at point X, net electric field at point X is the mod EB minus mod EA. Since mod EB is greater than mod EA, because it is at a smaller distance, its distance is R minus A, and for EA it is R plus A. This is R, this is A, or you can say L. Okay, I should say L because we are taking the L. So this is R minus, it is R, and this is L, this is R minus L. This is R, this is L, this is R plus L. So mod of EB is KQ upon R minus L square minus KQ upon R plus L square. Now I solve it. K Q R plus L square into R minus L square, that is R plus L whole square minus R minus L whole square. If I solve this, net electric field on X, I got KQ R square minus L square की पावर 2, इस होल स्क्वायर इज वी कैन कॉल a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी, r प्लस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला लगा दें. अगर मैं इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा तो क्या आएगा, ऐड करूंगा एक बार, ऐड करूंगा एक बार, माइनस करूंगा तो ऐड करूंगा तो आएगा l से l कट जाएगा, क्या आएगा 2r. और अगर इसमें से इसको माइनस करूंगा तो क्या आएगा 2l. तो अब मेरे पास आया, मैं इसको रीअरेंज करता हूं, के क्यू 2r को अलग ले लेता हूं, बल्कि q इंटू 2l को एक साथ ले लेता हूं. इधर आया 2r अपॉन आर स्क्वायर माइनस एल स्क्वायर की पावर 2. सो नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन x इज दिस. इट इज कॉल्ड p, dipole moment. We have already discussed it as dipole moment. Every dipole have a dipole moment vector quantity, that is called dipole moment. kp 2r upon r square minus l square की पावर 2. If I took r is much greater than l, then l square is assumed to be 0. If l square is assumed to be 0, then E net x is k 2p r upon r की पावर 4. It means 2p upon r cube. So it is in a special case. General case is this. In maximum time we will use this formula as compared to this formula. Now we should move to the second case. Second case of dipole is, suppose this is a dipole and from its center at distance r this plus q charge, the electric field is EB, and due to charge at A, electric field is EA. Now from symmetry, this is L and this distance is OM is R, and this is R square plus L square. Again this is R square plus L square. So if it is theta, this will be theta, and if I did theta here, then this will be theta corresponding angle, and this is theta alternate angle. Mod of EA, mod of EB are same, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by under root r square plus a square की power 2. I assume it E. So this is EA, this is EB. Now I took the component of EB along, it is EB. I took the component of EB along vertical direction and horizontal direction. The component in vertical direction is mod EB sin theta, and along horizontal direction is mod EB cos theta. Again, for EA, the horizontal component is mod EA cos theta, and for vertical component is mod EA sin theta. Since mod are equal, so vertical component cancel each other, and we have only horizontal component. So net electric field at point M is mod EA cos theta plus mod EB cos theta, that is equal to 2E cos theta. Here I substitute the value of E and cos theta. Here cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, that is L upon under root L square plus R square. I substitute the value of first 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square, R square plus L square, it should be L, and cos theta, value of cos theta is L upon under root R square plus L square. So net electric field at M is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L upon R square plus L square के पास 3 by 2. Now if it is 3 by 2, Q into 2L is P. So net electric field at M (1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square plus L square to the power 3 by 2. If in question is given if R is much greater than L, then assume L squared approximately to be 0. Then the net electric field, this is a special case, it is not used everywhere, but they may be used everywhere. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by RQ. So this is a simple formula for electric field on the equatorial line. Now we are discussing the third case. When electric field at any general point. Now you got the formula on the axis and equatorial line. Suppose this is a dipole, and from this is AB is a dipole, and from center at distance R we have a point P, and this CP line makes angle theta. This is L, this is L. So we want to calculate electric field at this point P. We have studied only two formulas, that is along the axis and on equatorial line. So P have two components, one is P cos theta, other one is P sin theta. Now there is no meaning of P, we only understand P cos theta and P sin theta. Means we are having two dipole instead of one dipole P. One dipole is along the CP and is have the dipole moment P cos theta, and one is along equatorial line of CP, that is one dipole of P sin theta. So due to along dipole, that is P, this will case of axis, dipole on the axis. So due to axis, the electric field, I suppose it is E1. E1 is mod E1 is K P cos theta upon R cube. Since it is already said that it is a short dipole. Short dipole means R is much greater than L. Now for this equatorial line, since dipole is directed from P sin theta is from here. So the electric field is against, as we discussed the earlier case, E2, and the mod E2 is Kp sin theta upon r cube. Here is one mistake. P cos theta, there is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 2p upon r cube, so it is 2p cos theta upon r cube. Now if I took this separate, this is E1, sorry, this is E2 and this is E1, and I use parallelogram law, and suppose resultant make angle alpha, then net electric field under root of E1 square plus E2 square. So it is under root of K 2p cos theta upon r cube whole square plus Kp sin theta r cube whole square. It is Kp r cube बाहर आ गया, 2 cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square. So it is Kp upon r cube. It is 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is Kp upon r cube. 1 cos square theta comes here. 1 plus 3 cos square theta. If I took direction tan alpha is mod E2 by mod E1, that is equal to 2p cos theta, sorry, Kp sin theta upon r cube upon K 2p cos theta upon r cube. So it is p से p cancel out हो गया, sin theta it is 1 by 2 tan theta. So now you can find the direction also by this.